The Ferrari 488 GTB is a high-performance supercar from the Italian automaker Ferrari, designed as a successor to the Ferrari 458 Italia. It combines stunning aesthetics, advanced engineering, and exhilarating performance. Here's a detailed breakdown of its features and specifications. General overview: production, 2015 to 2019. Body style, two-door coupe assembly, Maranello, Italy designer, Ferrari Styling Centre, under Flavio Manzoni Performance Engine, 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged, V8 horsepower, 661 horsepower at 5,856 RPM, 8,000 RPM, torque, 760 Newton meters, 561 pound-feet, at 3,000 RPM transmission, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic drivetrain, rear-wheel drive 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. 3.0 seconds. Top speed, 205 miles per hour, 330 kilometers per hour. Weight, 1,475 kilograms, 3,252 pounds. Dry. Chassis and handling platform, aluminum space frame. Suspension, front, double wishbone rear, multi-link brakes, carbon ceramic Brembo brakes. Aerodynamics, active aerodynamics with features like a blown rear spoiler, an aerodynamic underbody, 50% more downforce compared to the 458 Italia interior. Driver-centric design, minimalistic dashboard, multifunction steering wheel with integrated controls. Seats, leather-wrapped race-style seats. Infotainment, optional screen for passenger-side telemetry display. Customizations, extensive options through Ferrari's tailor-made program technology, eDiff. 3. Electronic differential for improved traction, F1. Track, optimizes grip and stability. Side slip angle control, SSC2, enhances handling dynamics. Variable torque management, delivers torque seamlessly across the rev range. Design exterior, aggressive front air intakes, inspired by Ferrari's Formula One. Designs large rear diffuser for optimal airflow, LED headlights and taillights. Dimensions. Length, 4,568 millimeters, 179.8 inches. Width, 1,952 millimeters, 76.9 inches. Height, 1,213 millimeters, 47.8 inches. Wheelbase, 2,650 millimeters, 104.3 inches. Special editions and successor 488. Pista, a track-focused variant with enhanced aerodynamics and a more powerful 710 horsepower engine. Successor, Ferrari F8. Tributo, launched in 2019, features further refinements and a more powerful version of the 3.9-liter V8 engine. Pricing base. Price, approximately $250,000, varies by region and options. Current value, depends on condition, mileage, and rarity. Well-maintained models retain significant value on the resale market. Awards, International Engine of the Year, multiple wins for the 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 Best Driver's Car, awarded by Motor Trend in 2017. The Ferrari 488 GTB is celebrated for its exceptional blend of speed, agility, and luxury, making it one of Ferrari's most iconic modern supercars. Would you like to explore its competitors or any specific aspect in more detail? And my channel, subscribe and follow you